Hello everyone, welcome to Mohendra Coaching Center's channel. Today we are going to look at this cue card. Describe a competition you would like to take part in. You should say what kind of competition it is, what would you do in this competition, and why does this competition interest you. So without wasting time, let's begin. Competition not only fosters confidence but also an individual comes to know about his hidden abilities. When I was in school, I took part in many competitions on various functions and I have won various prizes as well. Here I would like to talk about a competition that I would like to take part in. It is KBC, also known as Kaun Banega Crorepati, that is telecasted on national television. It is a type of quiz contest but on a national level. Interested participants register by completing a form and answering questions. Selected participants are contacted by the KBC team. This competition is based on history of India and general knowledge at international level. I never miss to watch a single episode of KBC because I find it very interesting and knowledgeable. While watching KBC, I come across so many things that I have not heard about or learned in textbooks, newspaper, etc. And I have been preparing for this competition for several months. I started reading books related to general knowledge, history, civics, etc. I always think about the time when I will participate in this competition and win the final prize amount. The final prize money is rupees 7 crores if the participant reaches the final level and answers the question right. There are different levels with the options available to quit the game in the middle and take the amount won so far in the game. There are 4 lifelines as well so that participant can seek help if needed. I am planning to take part in this quiz in next couple of years and I am hoping for great result from this endeavor. Now let's look at some of the words used in this cue card. Foster. Foster means encourage. Next is endeavor. Endeavor means to try hard to achieve something. So that's it for today's session. If you find this video useful, then please share it with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and have a good day.